Hi, I'm going out for a minute. Oh, that's too far. I can't go there. So I have used for and for. For के लिए. And this for is we use for the distance. Okay, let's talk about this for first. In Urdu, we have for के लिए. For you, for me, for your family, for my family, for your comfort. So, for, we use for to talk about a purpose. तो हम एक मकसद के लिए या उसको रेफर करने के लिए हम ये यूज करते हैं. Mostly it is used as a preposition. But sometimes it is used as conjunction. We have some examples of the word for, that is for. What are you here for? आप यहाँ किस लिए हैं? Is this for me? Is this for my brother? Is this for your family? क्या ये मेरे लिए है? For what? This is for what? For what? ये किस लिए? For a minute. For a minute I thought it's not real, but it was. For a minute, एक मिनट के लिए. For a second, एक सेकंड के लिए. What I can do for you. This is mostly we use when we have a stranger in front of us. जब हमारे सामने कोई भी stranger आता है, हम उसको कहते हैं, excuse me, what can I do for you? For God's sake, खुदा के लिए, for God's sake. What is this for? What is this for? This is for eating. ये eating के लिए means खाने के लिए. Now let's talk about for. It's for, to for. It's to for. Means ये बहुत दूर है. For is used for the distance, यानी फासले के लिए. It's an adverb. Adverb are the words that add something in the meaning of a verb. उर्दू में इसका मीनिंग है फासले. फासले के लिए हम फासला क्योंकि अगर दूर है कोई चीज तो we say it is far. Is this for or is it for? क्या ये दूर है? Is it far away from here? क्या ये यहाँ से दूर है? I can't go that far. मैं इतने दूर नहीं जा सकता. Can you go that far? क्या आप इतने दूर जा सकते हैं? Far, far away. बहुत बहुत दूर. Simply we can use it's far away. It's not in my reach. It's far away. Far flung. The far flung areas. दूर दराज के इलाके. We say often say the remote areas जो बहुत दूर इलाके होते हैं. Far and wide. दूर दूर तक. I can't see anything far and wide. मैं बहुत दूर तक या दूर दूर तक कोई चीज नहीं देख सकता. Far-fetched बहुत दूर की बात है. Thank you.